guys, so today I'm here with some slime. And please subscribe to see more slime videos. So today I'm playing with some slime. And I'm going to show you 3 different types of slimes that I've made. And I want your opinion on it, so tell me in the comments below what you think. Lucas. Anyways, so first I'm going to show you what I'm doing with this slime. So basically I'm stretching it out, putting it together and making bubbles. What's your favorite thing to do with this slime? Okay, so I'm going to show you how it basically looks like. See? So, do you like this slime? Or let me show you another option. Bye slime. So I also made this slime. It's basically rubber slime, but it's really slimy and it breaks apart really easily. But it's actually really squishy and fun. Feels like a squishy. So, which one do you guys like? Tell me in the comments below. This slime? And what do you like to do with it? Or this slime? I love you guys so much. Subscribe. Tell me in the comments below which one you like better and what do you like to do with your slime. And bye.